Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix the YouTube something went wrong monkey error on YouTube using simple steps. First, open your browser and try using incognito mode. If you are using Google Chrome, click the three dots in the top right corner and select New Incognito Window. Then go to YouTube and check if the error is gone. Incognito mode disables extensions and ignores old cache files, so it helps you see if the issue is related to your browser data. If the error still appears in incognito mode, open a guest window in Google Chrome. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select Guest. In the guest window, open YouTube again and test it. If YouTube works fine in the guest window, this means the problem is connected to your main browser profile or your account settings. Next, go back to your normal browser window and clear your browsing data. Click the three dots, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and choose Clear Browsing Data. Select Cookies and Cached Images and Files, then click Clear Data. After that, restart your browser and test YouTube again. If the problem is still there, go to Settings in Chrome and choose Reset Settings. Click Restore Settings to their original defaults and confirm. This will disable extensions and reset browser changes that may be causing the issue. These steps should fix the problem in most cases. Thanks for watching.